ho mo me hwe picture nai me hu se Brian champion so grade ni phone na beto ho ono so kosra pope Baumia na sisia no one MPP for so abetodwa na edi twato they are embarking on a nationwide thank you tour. Yaw akwaba
ahundam joso
nationwide thank you tour. Na ebi mo skeptical enti e pese ni chamabute twetwe nkomo ne busa no say thank you tour no what is it for thank you tour but there were people who were asking questions. But my investigation revealed said all those who contested with Dr. Mahmoud Baumia have been given a letter to join.
To join him
on the trail. Okay. Mami kwa umanoso. Chamabute, good morning. Chamabute, me mwache.
Good morning, say.
Me woya dodo na unso eh.
Yami adom, ana mo pa go do papa.
Chairman, Eddie Kan Mebusa, Abusa for the Dinde, Chairman Dankwa Smith Bute. Mamoni Dina, Dankwa Smith Bute. Now, because the Chairman Buta, first vice chairman MPP will be an Intehudino, Chairman Bute, Chairman Mebusa, date Ben, I must share some person. Moya, thank you, Toy. Now, Mufi say, is it the right moment? Say, was some Mutusana Moi.
Michelle was here for you now. Yeah, the right moment. What was the right moment there? I mean, when you say my again, you said your body, what I was saying, you went to do. Right point. Yeah, right. Say, you share the answer on your seat. That's it, you know. Okay, right point.
Now, who's about the Western region 26th? Near to say changes be about etisa.
If you have my changes, you have my. You be share what you after what and as a changes over there. The where the changes you have.
But as it stands now, the other two Jana it still holds.
Okay.
Me say as it stands now, the other two is for him now. It still holds. Say 26.
Yes.
Now, Pacho, if people will say now Dr. Mahmoud Baumia and the national executives giving him a head start. As a Dr. Mahmoud Baumia and the parliament, the presidential candidate talks with MPP executives. No, Pacho, the entra Chiremukakra.
I don't know why. I want to contest even I could become a Japan, Canadian Japan, Adeakye Akoto, Dr. Apreku.
Now, yes, I'm not sure officially to them. Oh, okay. There is a tour now.
I don't know why. They tell me the pass for the say. Or in a trouble if you only number. Party told in your house and gather for why a trouble and
Chairman and National Council, you Professor Michael Kwe, you know, moment the better Bontana, now we in-house document.
Oh, you're the better about the answer yesterday, you know.
Most study we are Mama Ghana for who do.
Yes, yesterday we are near Before woman. I didn't need to be Ghana party without the buyer.
But you are the more the best mobile.
Oh, that baby, why we are near report speaker. You just be as well. Say, I'm finding the you lose. Okay.
The
next report we now over Casse. No more capturing, I was saying, if I know.
Okay.
We have not bought a partner 2 pound. I put in him. We have not bought a month for a book of food. No, you have not fire the first one. Now, you have bobbing as a back here.
Not necessarily say I'm never to Obama, say I'm for making kindly.
Oh, that would be. Book will be over by but every idea public consumption.
All right. Now, 9-member committee now, Monsieur Omonko share constitution. That be no do majuma be.
Oh, I am dismounted.
Oh, okay. Chama Bute Madasi won't chima dia mai.
Yes, with the what.
All right. 9-member committee. That's last week kind. It's all Munko constitution him. No mun share Niama baako mmienu a AD party ninya. So the AD can't hear crowd say they want to extend the delegates, no, you know, to a certain amount. Yeah, Azante. There is one thing I want MPP must see out. And you know, but some of them, and it's a group, no, it is gradually becoming a criminal entity. Coordinators. Almost electoral area coordinators. Yaw, MPP more. Woman, I see I near to I and yet delegates no. What am I happening? Now, a bimo. I'm using the word advisedly. A bimo. I a campaign, sir. Corruption, pa. A bimo. Near my my party saying signing from Hono and co. You only be coswa or the call the demo. And I be brain so delegates list no. I feel the actual area no. On the decided say waiting bebam eti huna. Eti asante woni ni nya issue a hunu say next election wo boa. Eno de event na me say me party me nka ho. And carry omo ejiji a year can only first na metro.
Yeah, stakeholders.
So we can entity and the account once. Yow, what they want them? Electoral area coordinators ni bi. Asante what TV?
Omo ye powerful.
Omo yate na me dey on say.
E be dangerous.
Committee no matter no.
Onu nya nkomodie ni ade na o MP. Omo na ti MP for ba no. Eti, so omo ni MP we fall out pe. No omo enam abrochire. Another MP on Babe 2 because they say I will seek a 2 hour from. Yes. It me say ka be just says electoral area coordinator. Woman guno. Hwa woman organizer. Omo youth organizer and omo constituency organizer. These 3 people they cannot organize delegates down there. 5-5-1 no. Ha. What are you telling me? Bro, for some coordinators, as one make a coordinator be no con. Me no pa me can say the con titi, the bufofu. Yes, here powerful here. Pra wa dey. So we are juma here, some make ubunfu. But the woman the bufofu say I know him say. Yeah. Well, I'm not attacking God. Me see a binum you corrupt. And I'm not missing words. And a first vice for no so. Constituency first vice. A bit shaky. Also, almost say chairman. Chairman no who know. But first vice for only be dangerous.
What in a chidi?
What in a chidi? What to train one up chairman to know.
Any no correct.
Ah, yeah. Yes, how you eh?
No pe chairman to the day.
A crowd of 2 chairman. Yes, simple. Committee answer on kasa mpo no ofre from mututu
nze chairman nya de
chairman de oye de ba me na kasa odie heavy before anyway asante ba me starting free one more on Omanhene Yaw mama business forum no ono mu shai o ka kire omo kwan obefa so obeboa omo I think it's a good thing. I mean letting them know say enye so obeye de kire omo election but still I is with them.
Well, my media co business, you know, by Easter. And I'm taking advantage.
That's right. Yes, they did it last year.
Now, I say,
and this year,
media, me say, you were near me, Pierre Cost to Sibia, Mountain P. was what you may be almost what Jesu Monaso. Ah, ye call a year only co no. Say Christmas Day across the length and breadth of the country, but what could we say, baby, and a Western region? Almost 6 March pass so. Ghana as na ajate omaniase
omu this is match pa
and for that matter me say going for regional minister and so betimi aisha bibisa
as a western regional minister.
Yeah, and then Ashanti First unfortunately it coincided with the Kowu occasion no.
Ashanti First na ade
say aja yenso so wa Ashanti Mountain wa the festivals pure
me bisa ade
oh say it just like Kowu there no.
You know what I'm asking?
Because of Nema celebration, we never pia bem.
No, I'm asking you. Do you know why I'm asking that?
Okay, my.
Because me, The only time I saw say CBB the Ashanti Fest was me who say regional minister ewo Pajo. Na your mama nua your mama ba no di ni chain. Na like mu di ni chain. I was like, what is this? Meti how? Did you receive any letter say you publicize Ashanti Fest? Did you receive anything? No. So what is it? So the people of Kumasi during that period a justice any at the bar, you know. And then money be coincide. People were down. The timing for me
was unfortunate.
It was quite. I said, "I want you here, Bremu now. The Uji wadi. Who come say Obi to us? Me why? I never had an invitation or I never received anything. Say Sompa krano. Yeah, be the Ashanti Fest. See ye me sombi. Yaw. Did you get anything like that? It became like you're doing the perfect crime.
It was more or less like a social media.
A social media, there been a celebrities one kind. You don't Kumasi. You don't do it. The name is Ashanti Fest.
Oh, my no yaji. But Johanna Meka say Ashanti region, for instance, Ashanti Fest now. Going forward, you know, the organizations need programming no. There should be wider consultation.
And it should be well planned.
Now I said well embraced now. The escafopio Ashanti region. Said Ashanti region. Nipo escafopio watching. Said Kuwa na say Eastern region. And everything me aboa amayeso engagement to be because so. Ebi a time no na em wakra no a. Everything me akwese baby a. Ebeye institutionalizer every year bianso. Yesu betimi ye mapunu benye bibia free.
It is one of the best thing initiated. Easter, Ashanti region out. Are you getting me? So bringing something like this for Ashanti region, fine, better late than never. But they may be saying no. At least get the stakeholders. The office media no edwomanu drumu pa kesia. Enka it's kind of say nipa ebako shiako bie. It's me serious na yako hu no TikTok. Come on, this is not TikTok.
And so, you
don't do that.
Forward, you know, some of these observations.
You only probably Friday, Saturday, Sunday, or Boakye, because they would have patronized or gone there. Share. Now me can be when they talked. Omo children, omo children, we and I'm saying I deal with pa. A cowboy see ya omo dear mashishi. A bit more worse will fear. It could have been a bazaar. Trade bazaar.
Yes.
Minister no between the crop for na share or property trend and na kojobo nsuye no. And I say Heroes Park.
Grand sales.
Now I hear grand sales ama omo Easter. Say mo amoniama see no strictly yama blue light form rant no.
Prempa assembly hall.
Mo amo wo sa niema kakra mbetima ton no. Mumfa nko ho. Nyi obi asika. Na manfo kra nko na mo create musicians no around. Some boys no can be anka by ne when you trouble kakra to no.
Oh yes, oh yes.
Who did they consult?
And I make say, oh my, it's better late than never, like we're saying. Going forward, you know, the timing, then how to organize the program.
Boys, that's
what Ashanti man a whole lot. On my own say, "Was Sebi escafo piuma." This thing happen without their knowledge. They are not aware of it.
And opera kind of will be able to say, yeah, be a friend Ashanti first waha.
And your man,
MPP, you know.
MPs need me. You are coming out of
MPP communication director.
Oh my. Unya Ando.
Unya is and I mean, Catreno. I mean, you should get serious. Regional Minister, I'll say, or 2 4 hour report on the say, why are Ashanti Fest? If that gentleman should get serious, make Catreno.
Oh, my, women, you can't be a different thing. No.
Oh, they were never be on the regional minister. No, in as much as in as much as Yenine Kasebia. The organization was bad. No. He is doing well.
Oh, of course.
At least we're initiating BB. Yeah. In 8 years, did we see Ashanti Fest? Did you see Ashanti Fest?
In this wildly celebrated way. No.
Yes, it was. But when the minister takes it up and initiates it, why BB? It will be a regional minister, the Quaco, BBC abroad as I mentioned. What is all this issue?
Going forward, you know.
If he has nothing to say, you should keep quiet.
Yeah, organization.
What is this?
You be traditional period. You be this thing. A Bema Ashanti region. Because you are there by Kwani say, I say, from our observations, other regions no feel a little sidelined. What I say? Because I say, attention in alcohol. And they say, other regions, we can all take advantage of some of these celebrations. Now, some region, and I say, more community, no. Yeah, invite big men to come there. No money now because Bibia now say take the business aspect. No man, of course. Or mama them give ye papa poop. I think Pope Francis. Gentia make a papa say you can pope Ghana in particular. You one black pope we have been expecting. Say Cardinal Pierre Texan.
We are expecting.
Yes, and for black pope one day.
Do you foresee a black pope one day?
It's very difficult. Very difficult because
it's possible. Nothing is impossible.
Oh, but possible but difficult.
Over 180 something na ekoto abano. E kan omo less than 80 no. And so far say 2 Africans so no.
Any ambongo from Central Africa.
DR Congo. Aye. And I say amongst leading you know. Aso no crowd on there.
Oh, yeah,
first 5.
That's the first one.
First 3 no.
Pope Francis we first 3 no come.
On my first 3 no, omo haga be when say book that first Hungary ho. No more back endo bi susu wo Europe ho. And na Ghana boy o meba apia
Europe
apia
Budapest na Europe.
There be and back be
Italian bi susu ho.
Yawe back no wo Philippines no. Omo ne apia test nko mo de omo yensa wei pa na nka ba bia ni na nka yekoto mo so.
They will go for the concave.
But ade back no say Yawe ade back no say over 700.
Oh, so we never expected an American black president.
No.
Oh yes, and
now we over 741 years. And na yenye obi a no on free Europe. Be glogo ya Francis. But ono cry no. E papa ne mama nyina they were no immigrant in Argentina, Buenos Aires. And you know definitely the same thing they say at this time
African Pope,
black Pope is difficult. But let's go where the Spirit will direct them during the
direction.
Oh, of course. That one is true. Yes, we need to test now. The smoke.
And who's in I? Whether black or
white. That's smoke. One never sompo.
Oh, white no ba. So white.
And I make us of the other son of class. Yes.
See any ya on ntimi so. Hey, Vatican.
Yeah, but Thomas say 252 living cardinals. And ebekwa kwisia. Emu 138 and less than 80 years on beto abanibi. Na Africa were 18 cardinals, including Peter
Cardinal Apia
Texan. And as a 5 being as a lady or no 3 indeed.
3 na no.
But the point is that my
as our Vatican ho. A black pope. It's
so why
let's see. It could be possible.
Why you
it is a possibility, but it is an impossibility of a possibility.
Why you Vatican?
So Vatican pa no.
Yeah,
piede akoyi pope na bibili. Apia. Oh, ka onim say Kabesa Peja, the Catholic Ayua Ghana pa.
Very.
You're going to have a lot of people who go to Roman.
Yes.
About Kabe Plebeko Roman. Roman form a giant Navasako. Leave you come vacation with other churches.
Roman for some of those who Ghana the Modos pa.
But what I mean is if you mess up
Roman for a bear,
no Africa
200 million
Africa.
Every say are you for Pentecost for na BT Roman for. Or maybe BT Roman for Ghana.
Oh Ghana
the Pentecost 3.5 million. Yeah, I mean tell Kofi Amabua nsem abekai akonta mine so the krata babontin say. Akonta Nimri Forest omunko hoda. Tano River.
Nokre wumpa yes say akonta. Nokre wum say. NDC ministers ya pesun dodo.
Omo ya pesun.
Omo ya pesun dodo akonta.
Ade.
NDC ministers ya pesun too much. Obakaya ye ko World Cup ko ball. Na asemba ho. Mine ye friend service free anka. Ye ko friend onu so obesun. Besun say ya. Nanu ya nra say dey ye say ye papa dey friend say.
Kofi Amabo.
Kofi Amabo a ye yi documentary a kirew. Wo hear documentary ni bia minister na atue sun. Akota we asem.
Oh, what's why you emotional? Yeah, why you nipa?
Akota NDC ministers ni nya sun no mo tackle issues no mo nya ya so ya no mo di sun bra bra ne ma so no. Akota be bia ya ba bedru yi a wo se usu. Ya ba bedru yi. Akota o se Amabo a osu kire. Akota Debi.
E wo de ba ne kana se.
Usie any pro na ye gugu mo na usi. Na ye be gudi pa.
O ba ne kana se bo.
Go emotionalize.
What did you emotionalize? Akota
Obunya suno. So Akota mine is challenging himself. Almost omo any Nimri forest. If there's any other forest or Moka, but the minister had it wrong. Mentioning their name, calling for the revocation of the license. No, woman need Nimri forest now. Papa na ko here documentary on Nimri forest na. Osuno.
Inti Akota me ka say Amabo ya pesun e the NDC ministers no omo ya pesun dodo. Akota obe minister enkika ko be say 2 months
3 months 3 months
in the wogro mu. Akota wo be so a kire say. And Akota galamse me no mienu yete ya say kura yenya kwan enhwe documentary ni bi no. Kakra ya tete any ebia de huhunu
obabi. Even now.
Yenim say
Accra Road.
Akota we are in a die situation.
Accra Road. Oh, anyinem ho no. It is coming into the road.
Serious.
Oh, say do the wait for that
Baby na baby omoton emoa no. Akrantie ne.
Do the be divert kwan ya tu you know, be divert kwan.
Asante di asem na.
On na say gold na wono mutu. So mutu. Mpanifo hui. Omo hu Accra
be sarcastic.
Omo nam kwan so da. Anti omo hui.
Ti how is it? Omo flight into omo.
Akota ende ya da ku bi de nsuo beto. Ema
akwa ni be si da pro
ni Africa world for no.
Entu.
Afro na fom na nsuo no to na kwan ni be si.
Accra Road is so visible.
Enti Akota ditwe na o sa Amabu asu kire ye. Akota ye nim from ayi Jomama first John edibasi ebesi second John from ayi Kofo edibesi Atamils dibesi first John na do danko Kofo the second John ba ye. Akota ye nim se galamse no se si Akota pade a eku omayi a enche bia no chese ebe jibibia galamse it is either say papa ne ba be ka kire yen say ebia ade we drastic decision we when ya take whether we chama wuntumi whether we akunta mining whether we NDC organizer and also we NDC constituency one we don't give a damn baby a yedro no enso ni nim MPP eno nim NDC Ghana Water Company Limited and one soon we no more pompia breya yemfa NDC for the emfa pipe bakum yemfa MPP for the emfa pipe bakum me decision and say bia ye declare state of emergency.
So you said now the state of emergency has come of a need greater than before.
Akuta all forest reserves in so bia ho enya water gas asemo water gas for no mo do mo koe no akuta enya wo mo asemo a
ko bia tade o de se water gas do butwa ba
akuta so jeni akọ so jeni kutatuo ekuta bomb ni bibia wakọ anye yesi ye de mfian ama water gas for so mo
so jeni kuta bomb
no any debi na kuta so ja for do mo ko a fully ammunitions bi abi kuta bomb akuta e se ni okuta bi okuta bomb nyina anye
no but seriously the galamse is taking a different crescendo.
It's true.
I say when the government sits in power, the few months before, the government has such a goodwill. Even when somebody is talking about a bino near maybe also yes, people don't pay attention. Yeah, when it says cement here 125.
Yes.
From 80 cedis to 125. Cement.
About a week ago now,
Jata is 130.
Yes.
Cemento, 4 months new, 130 cedis Jata cement, other cement 125 from 80 Ghana.
Yeah. on say na ye wo Ghana food e ba ku bi anan de na ye bo
soul
yes
no more simaf
ne bo a
omo ye ba ku bi wo fin so ha omo ye ba ku bi wo konongo no omo ye ba ku bi another one bi so
ne bo and the number one 80 cities
be anu say wo come bi sa people see it as you are becoming too much on the government because of buy kra no on fan and Nancy oye it was said the opposition Greg as say masa on come on to mona we ye niam yanka and say but ye ma ni sumra ho say cement no Ghana prices and sanity the way man cement price has started air corner say abina menani ama ho immediately not send ye ayi dance asukwa MP pese oni omudi si ani no if we are going to liberalize it and leave them to their fate a bedroom maybe and by June we to cement 170 160
we want here crab to be 200 crab
because maybe economy I something we need 3 months cement is 125 and it's like everybody has turned a blind eye and you could do be 150 now feel be kasa on be kasa yen to mu bio it is becoming too much.
Basana liberal you for events constructed guys in construction
no
to cement ubedanya adwuma
was a contractor only na sign
I was all review no ya readjustment and the aban no baboka who aban in the end they can be ba ho eti Kofi Mabwa na ya bo message esu no
we nyesu
but esu ya bo makasa onyesu na to some extent it makes sense because Omanhene he has all the support Ghana for Tanachi I say energy minister ne de Tanachi say become bia so na nka mo so jafo akobawura numiri ho akose sa niam na ho na nka hu so bi beka say concession yam de ansa nyam dia be wan kwankwa say ni won so be statement kama wabi wa de brofo abeli ni ho ana
sabre ya o amabo a esu akota sabre ya o te wa wosu sabre se ya na dodan kwa kufa da catch Ghana for say
I put
ordina konya o te so as president
on the line
to so because the bia yensu na say do no that time no so goodwill say ya o say so here galamse fo nyina beta na chi an president ye bejai ye ma time bi afa echi o mo he say echa say decision be and said no satisimu this same goodwill na bia na amakofi bu a wote wa wosun any president John Dramani Mahama work at this time
so take action
say state of emergency and also declare where forest mu nyina on declare ni nyina say water bodies any say 200 meters 500 meters so say 1 meters no also declare say also be gina one so yes no to fire and kill that's all
they are treating them with the kids gloves
sabre ya na amabu abetima jaisu enya the goodwill of Ghana for now when say time edi be 6 months edi be
afena say
ehunye bio afedi asebio na babeka watena wa afe na abeka we actually so obibi ya yesi agro be da
na broni nkran de no so western region umakwa ku baby abroni nkran omo afa baby akura forest ni mu akotrem be 16 20 years ni achichi kro yesi awu ni pani bi kura ho kra na omo baby ananso mto na
so for no kono omo so omo details omo nya yense ni pa 2000 eto but omo ra forest ni mu no omo share left share right share center over 10,000 people
that's omo to about
now most of them are foreign nationals
yes ECOWAS one it all Togo for
there's another Bujumbura na I was for you na hobra na Abrantie Orlando emfa tip of from Rasisi aye ba